Today we prepare sweet potato. 3 recipes in one today. Puree, baked like a steak, baked sweet potato, and salad of sweet potato. So it can be one dish or it can be 3 different dishes. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today, sweet potato. 3 recipes in one today. You can make all of them or choose one of them and do only one of them. You will learn something new, not like just French fries of sweet potato like everywhere. The first recipe will be the steak or the baked sweet potato. For this we need just sweet potato. We already wash it and we will cut this in 2 and we will put in a tray with salt, just salt. 2 little mountains of big salt in order to store them easily, and this will also drink a little bit their water, so it will be dry like we cook usually a potato when we make a gnocchi or something more, like when we need a puree without water of potato. So we'll do the same for this sweet potato. We'll try to cut it into nice pieces. I prefer this form, more original than this one. This one I will put it for salad and for puree, and here will be a little bit more cooked, here a little bit less, and here more caramelized. We will have 3 textures in one steak. Up. Well, so it's a little bit difficult to cut, but voila. When you cut, you have a very nice. Now we will make a little grid to make it nice and to make enter inside a quick marinade that we will put, and it will be after cooking, it will be nicer, and it's also important to have a nice look to your dish. Let's put some salt. I put salt on top of this bowl. You will understand why after. Some pepper. It's a smoked Spanish paprika, pimentón de la vera. I like this little smoky taste. If you don't have, you don't put. You can put instead of this curry if you like. You can put curcuma, for instance. Ginger. Fresh ginger. We can let the skin. We slice the ginger with the skin. We cut a kind of julienne pieces like this. We put in the bowl. We take some garlic. We crush like this. Ready to put in a bowl. If you will have a green part here, you will remove it. There is not, so we don't remove it. Put here some herbs, thyme, or in my case this is, I don't know in English, write in comments, sarriette. It's like similar to thyme, but it's not thyme. Some years ago people used to put it with, when it was not such amount of basil, and it's from my garden, of course. This is also from my garden. It's kind of oregano, but it's marjolaine, it's a cousin of oregano. So we are making kind of instant marinade. Finally, we put some oil. Okay, a little bit more of pepper. If you like, in this moment, in this marinade, you could put some red hot chili pepper flakes, but in this case I will have a wife and kids that will eat it, so I will not put, but if you like, it will be the moment to put it here. You keep it for 10-15 minutes, the time you have, to give a good flavor, and after we will put and bake our sweet potato.
A few moments later.
Voilà, 10 minutes later we have a very flavored oil. So we put our potato on the tray on the salt. to fix it. And now we put our oil on top. Very nice oil, very flavored. Need oil everywhere in order to really roast like a meat your sweet potato, and this will be fantastic. Voilà, so now this we just bake for 180 degrees Celsius around 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Let's say 40 minutes if you like very tender. 40 minutes.
Later.
Steaks are ready. As you see, more caramelized here. To be sincere, I had 5 minutes. I made 35 minutes at 180 and I had 5 last minute at 240 in order to grill it and to little bit burn it. I like a little bit this, quite burn little bit. To have a little bit bitter taste is really fantastically prepared inside. So let's do 2 other recipes and let's do the dressing. Voilà, alors the second recipe it will be the puree of sweet potato. So the puree of sweet potato, of course, we need to peel the sweet potato. You can use an econom knife or a very vegetable knife. There is different type of sweet potatoes. There is orange, there is yellow, there is purple, mountain of sorts. A lot of them in South America, and the best country for this could be maybe Peru. And for this recipe, it's suitable for any sort of sweet potatoes that you can buy. So this, we will take the half for the puree, or a big half. Voilà, for puree, we will cut cubes. You have 2 options. Puree you can do in a pan with some butter, with some water, with some juice. But if you use an oven, and it will be more tasty even puree, because it will be baked flavor of sweet potato. We take our marinade of the steak, the same one, and we put our cubes for puree. The work of the chef is to think about all saving energy, use all the products, and save time usually, because we have a lot of work. We need to save time and to give different taste, different flavor, different texture. And the little taste that we will add in this puree, can be orange, can be, but I have clementine. I will put clementine. You can put some citrus flavor. Voilà, fresh flavor. A little bit more salt. Beautiful color, beautiful flavor. And now we take all of this and put on a tray. And these little cubes, they will bake for around 20 minutes, I think.
20 minutes later.
Our sweet potato is ready. It is completely soft. I like to put in this kind of can with some pieces of roasted garlic. If you like, you can put some ginger. So we mix it. I use this jar because after prepare, you can put this in a bain-marie in hot water to store it, to wait that the moment that you will serve it. And now we will add some fresh taste of tangerine, orange, mandarin. A little bit of this. Of course, we need to taste. Very nice texture. but something, I need to add something. Wonderful. A little bit of butter. Of course, if you have kids, you can make this sort of puree. Color fantastic, and the smell and the texture. Puree is ready. We will do the dressing after we finish our other dish, which is the salad. For the salad, we will use sweet potato, apple, lemon, lime or lime or together, some fresh coriander, salt, pepper, oil. We need to cut apple, and we need to make a sauce, kind of sauce vinaigrette, which will be a sauce citronnette, because not based on vinegar but based on citrus. And we need a lemon, in which we will put pieces of julienne of apple, in order she will not become black. We make lemon juice, press for lemon, it's older than me. So we add the lemon juice, and we put it here in a bowl. We will cut slice of apple. So you can cut a piece of apple this way and put your apple this way after, which will be more stable. And after, cut some slice. I can say to you the truth, it will be better green apple, Granny Smith. But I didn't find, so we will have a golden. In julienne we will cut our apple and put immediately in lemon juice. Make this, and they're ready to go for the salad. We will finish our sauce. For lime juice, you need to make a kind of massage to your lime in order that it will give you more juice. Lime, we never use this. I prefer to do like kind of d'Artagnan, like this, and press our lime juice. Voilà, very fresh sauce will be. In all sauce and vinaigrette, we put some salt, some pepper. So, and now we put some oil, enough of sunflower oil, little by little, and you mix immediately, and some olive oil. We have very nice vinaigrette, which is non-stable emulsion, but right now it is. We'll try. Fantastic. If you don't like so sour, you can add before oil, you add a spoon of honey, and it will be sour, sweet and sour. Now we can cut our salad of potato, sweet potato. So for this I use this mandarin. Well, we have this kind of pieces, kind of julienne. If you don't have this mandarin, use a knife, sharp knife. You do some slices this way, up and. So now we cut some coriander or cilantro, and that's it. We take a portion of raw sweet potato. We put some sauce vinaigrette. 1, 2, 3. We put some cilantro inside. Remix. Some apples to give sweetness. As sour of this and sweetness of sweet potato and sweetness of apple. So Voilà, the salad is ready. We have our 3 recipes ready: the steak, the puree, the salad. Little bit of salad. Salad will be as a kind of pillow. We take the steak. Very nice caramelization. We serve with the skin, of course. Fantastic texture of puree. On the steak, we remember the marinade with the sarriette, with the same marjolaine. You can add some puree on top of the steak. Voilà, our dish of sweet potato prepared with puree of potato, sweet potato, salad of sweet potato, and baked steak of sweet potato. We have a mix of texture, we have a mix of taste, we have a sweet taste, we have a sour taste, we have a little bit bitter taste, or caramelized taste, and we have texture crispy, we have texture soft, we have texture puree, and also you can use only puree, only salad, or only baked sweet potato. So put a like if you like this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every time I will be happy and glad for this.